Bullish MetaHero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Hero could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish MetaHero market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. MetaHero presentation. MetaHero symbols and virtual articles are made utilizing state-of-the-art 3D innovation that makes them look super reasonable. This permits clients to make unimaginably exact 3D portrayals of themselves or some other article they can envision. The MetaHero stage gives a large number of instruments and highlights that make it simple for clients to make, offer, and utilize their symbols and virtual articles. As well as having the option to make point-by-point 3D models, clients can likewise add activities, surfaces, and lighting impacts to their manifestations. MetaHero is something other than a pleasant method for communicating your thoughts on the web. It likewise has true applications in fields like style, workmanship, medication, and gaming. In the style business, for instance, architects can utilize MetaHero to make computerized models of their apparel plans before they start creation. This assists set aside with timing and cash by permitting fashioners to try out various thoughts rapidly and without any problem. What is MetaHero? To make 3D symbols and virtual merchandise for use in online entertainment, computer games, design, human expression, and clinical. MetaHero, a deflationary genuine utility token, use a staggeringly reasonable 3D innovation. MetaHero Central Examination. With an end goal to enroll the following 10 million cryptographic money clients, MetaHero is acquainting metascanning innovation with the metaverse. Hero's super sensible 3D innovation can be utilized to make staggeringly similar symbols and virtual articles, making it ideal for use across a great many enterprises. Whether you're hoping to make another online entertainment profile, plan another game person, or foster a noteworthy new clinical gadget, Hero has the instruments you want to rejuvenate your vision. Likewise, Hero is a deflationary token, intending that there will be a restricted stock of HEROs available for use. This makes Hero the ideal venture for those hoping to make a very early move with an interesting new task with gigantic potential. Wait, don't as well. Snatch a few HEROs today and begin fabricating your tomorrow. Organization. MetaHero has an organization with Wolf Computerized World. The WDW Group is liable for the making of the metaverse's virtual world. One of Wolf Computerized World's key assets is its capacity to make an interpretation of true information into an organization that can be utilized by PC frameworks. The group has fostered a scope of devices and methods that permit them to do this rapidly and precisely. WDW is centered around conveying the innovation to make the metaverse a reality. The objective is to make a computerized duplicate of the actual world that can be connected with likewise to how we communicate with the actual world. This incorporates porting over every one of the subtleties of the actual world, from structures and scenes to individuals and creatures. WDW has been chipping away at this task for over 8 years and has gained extraordinary headway. The group is continually enhancing and growing better approaches to catch and port information into the computerized world. With their experience and skill, WDW is very much positioned to make the metaverse a reality. MetaHero Examining. MetaHero scanners are another piece of innovation. Each utilizes a movable 3D chamber comprised of 16 movable supports, a server, and 4 cameras. Likewise, 64 gadgets are prepared to take pictures in a state of harmony. MetaHero plans to set up filtering loads in key destinations from one side of the planet to the other to furnish clients with admittance to 3D checking. The initial step is to set up 12 chambers in places with areas of strength for an innovation culture. In Doha, Qatar, their original 4 Kelvin public chamber is as of now being used. Tokyo, Berlin, New York, Seoul, and a lot more urban communities will come later. MetaHero Application. The MetaHero application is another component supporting the MetaHero biological system. The underlying rendition of the application will act for keeping and managing exchanges with Hero tokens, notwithstanding the way that there are broad designs for what's to come. Later on, clients will actually want to permit NFTs, screen all KPIs connected to their Hero movement, and use the application as a fiat entrance. Hero Token. The MetaHero biological system might be gotten to by utilizing the utility symbolic Hero. With a progressive deflationary methodology, the token step-by-step decreases its general inventory. The MetaHero NFT commercial center, eminences, and subsidizing for individual sweeps are conceivable with Hero. MetaHero current cost. MetaHero is presently worth $0. Hero has moved 3.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $846,222. MetaHero is right now positioned 1480 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $21,206,136 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant MetaHero market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. MetaHero Value Forecast 2022. MetaHero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The hero cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Hero is supposed to have a base worth of $0. MetaHero Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, MetaHero hero cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of hero will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the hero's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market unpredictability. Hero will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. MetaHero Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Hero might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Hero is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. MetaHero Value Expectation 2025. Assuming MetaHero effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Hero coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hero will be green in 2025. The Hero is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. MetaHero Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the hero cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, hero has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, MetaHero Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that hero figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help hero needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 2 cents. MetaHero Value Forecast 2028. While Hero is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. MetaHero Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, MetaHero will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. MetaHero Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profound.